Hey everybody, Crime Cask coming at you. As they say, the old saying says, "What?" As the ball bounces. Yeah, well, that's how today went in York, South Carolina today at the Moss Justice Center. I went there twice today, not once, but twice, um, but was granted access to a trial, a shorter trial, drop the S, for former Chester County deputy who's facing trial in the 2021 killing of retired Rock Hill police officer. This guy right here, his name is Evan Robert Hawthorne. He is the former Chester County deputy. Um, this case, I guess, is steeped in alcohol-fueled encounters, let's call it that, surveillance footage. So this is going to be an interesting trial. And contested self-defense claims, which is going to be interesting, has plagued all these lengthy delays, including today, which, as I said, I know it once, I went twice, I went back, and they were supposed to argue motions back this afternoon, and we all went back this afternoon, packed house this afternoon, and the judge has postponed it until tomorrow. Which is also just it's an emotional roller coaster, not only for the victim's family, but for Hawthorne's family as well, who were all in attendance. But according to prosecutors, Hawthorne and Vaughn, they met for the first time on July 22nd, so almost 3 years, 4 years ago, at the Tattooed Brews in downtown Rock Hill, South Carolina. And surveillance video allegedly shows the two men drinking heavily to the point of falling over and before being escorted out. And bar staff reportedly walked Vaughn back to his nearby apartment, a short distance from the Rock Hill Police Department, precinct where he had served there for 3 decades as a police officer. And then investigators say Hawthorne followed him and was allowed inside. In less than an hour, he was seen leaving the building covered in blood. Vaughn was later found dead from the blunt force trauma. Prosecutors allege Hawthorne was the sole assailant, and Hawthorne's claims acted in self-defense. I mean, no one was there inside the apartment, so it's going to be interesting to see how this one falls down. Um, we did this at Crowd and Cask in our Broken Badges series because we've got a former Chester County Sheriff's Department is charged with the murder of a cop, and it drew national attention because you have a decorated law enforcement officer. Um, and the accused is also a member of the law enforcement community. So there's a lot going on in this case. So stay tuned of what's going on with Crime and Cask in this particular gentleman right here, Mr. Evan Hawthorne. We'll see what happens. He was in court today. We'll see what happens tomorrow and throughout this week. Crime and Cask out.